Once again, welcome to the Everglades. Basically, everything you see around is not really a swamp. This is more like a river. It is the slowest river in the world. And it all starts in the center of Florida, around Lake Okeechobee. And then it travels down to the Keys. Out here in the Everglades, you may be able to find the American alligators and the American crocodiles. By the way, this is the only place in the whole world where both of these animals coexist in the same place. And nowhere else you will find this. Now, speaking of gators and crocodiles, do you know the difference between one and the other?
I'm going to call these guys by name. If they do not respond, it does not mean they do not know. It means they do not care. I'm sure most of you sitting here have a child, dog, spouse, something that doesn't pay attention, right? So we're going to start. You didn't wait for me. His name is Buster. Buster decided that he was going to be first anyway. Okay. This is not normal. Do not expect this out of your local alligator. Your day will end differently. An alligator this size gets a hold of your hand, your arm, your leg. At this size, they will cause real damage. This is something we've accomplished. The brain is right there. I don't know if you guys can hear him. He's kind of telling me how he feels about me. The ears are on either side. Very good senses, better than a dog. The eyes, they can actually sink down into the head. It helps protect them in a fight. These guys fight over the same things we do, dirt, girls, and food. On either side of the neck, you have your two primary jaw muscles. That's where your power comes from. If anybody here has ever seen the trick where the guy reaches in the mouth, pulls his hand out real fast. Okay, this here is little Snappy. Snappy's about 2 years old. You're gonna notice a lot of color. The color is for camouflage, and they are first born. Everything will eat them. Once they reach about 3, they'll start to lose the color. They'll start to eat everything they used to eat them. This way. Thank you. Thank you guys. Right this way. Come on down.